Hey everyone, welcome back to Bite Size Reviews. Today we're diving into the top 5 newest fitness devices hitting the market. Let's get started with some quick unboxings. First up, we have the Feepin Smart Ring. This sleek fitness tracker promises to monitor your heart rate, sleep, and even stress levels. Let's open it up. Right out of the box, we have the tracker, a charging cable, and a quick start guide. It's lightweight and stylish, perfect for everyday wear. Next, we have the Cross Rope, a cordless smart jump rope that tracks your jumps and calories burned. Let's see what's inside. This jump rope comes with built-in Bluetooth connectivity, so you can sync your stats to your phone. Plus, it has adjustable length for all heights. Moving on, we have the Yogify, a smart, cool, AI-powered yoga mat that provides real-time feedback on your poses. Let's check it out. Here's the mat, complete with sensors that connect to an app. It guides you through your practice and helps you improve your form. Now let's unbox the Fitbit Inspire 3, a fitness smartwatch packed with features for tracking workouts and health metrics. This beauty has GPS, customizable watch faces, and even music storage. Perfect for those who love to stay active on the go. Last but not least, we have the C2 massage gun, a powerful massage gun for post-workout recovery. Let's see what's included. This massage gun comes with multiple attachments and speed settings. It's a must-have for anyone looking to soothe sore muscles after a tough workout. And there you have it. The top 5 newest fitness devices, each designed to help you elevate your fitness game. Which one are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more quick reviews and fitness tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.